Good day guys, World Warrior Dan here, and today we're going to make a video of how to make your own training equipment. So all I'm using here is a couple of tires and a couple of kegs. We've got this keg here, a couple of scales to weigh it, and we've just filled it with sand. We've drilled out the top bit, pulled all that out, but be careful, you got to empty the gas out of it first, or the spring that's in there is just going to hit you in the face. So we're going to make this one about 30 kg, and I'll show you how to use it now. So you can do the overhead press with it. You know, you can use it to train your shoulders. This is like a strongman style training. And if you want it heavier, you just fill it up. So we're going to make some tires, so we can do the same with tires. So all you do here is just drill a hole through, line up all the holes, and then you bolt them and glue them together. And best thing about this is, most garages will give you car tires and truck tires like this for free because it costs them a lot of money to get rid of them. So just go to your local car garage and ask for a car tire, and they'll let you take your pick, which is what I did. And the more tires you put on, the heavier they are, and you can even fill them up with things if you so desired, you know. And it only costs a couple of bucks to get the bolts to put them together, so not very expensive at all. And you can make some really versatile training things. So we can combine them together. You know, if you've got some kind of rope, or you can get some chain and drill into them again and make a pulling device. And I've got some battle rope, so I just put the heavy sand keg on top and the two big tires, and then pulled it for a pull exercise. And you can use this for strengthen your back and your hamstrings and all that kind of stuff, depending on how you pull it and what kind of pull exercises you're doing. You can even tie it to you and try and run, so you got some resistance running. And battle ropes, you can tie them around like that. The keg will weigh them down so the tires don't move. Get your cardio in, get your battle rope action going on there. So just a nice easy video, this one, and showing you what you can do with very minimal equipment and very minimal money, because not all of us have money to spend on training equipment. And look, just, you know, you could make one of those bars out of wood, you know, or even just throw it. You don't even need one. I mean, I'm just lucky enough to have that, so I used it. But yeah, this is just a couple of examples of what you can do with a little bit of imagination and a little bit of DIY. And you can get a good workout out of all of this. You can get some really good strength and conditioning. But that's what this channel is all about. You know, using the world as an adventure and strengthen ourselves through the world and through the things we find in it. And luckily we've got access to tires and kegs, and most companies will give you damaged kegs for free. You've just got to go and make the effort to ask them. So, like all these kegs I got here, I got for free. I got them from a company, and the tires I got from the local garage. And yeah, the only thing that costs money in this equipment in this video is the training rack, which I've had for years. So, look, 4 lots of tires, a plank of wood. Make sure it's sturdy wood. Some kegs, and there you go, bench press, incline. So yeah, and if I sat the other way, I'd have decline. And if I sat up straight, if I just sat on the tires, you know, you can press it over your shoulders. So thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up and share if you appreciate, if you liked it, I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.